Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now let's scroll to the passwords and security. And as you can see on the second position, we've got fingerprint unlock, so let's tap on it. Now we have to set an additional screen lock. It is required. If you have one, no worries, then you will go directly to adding the fingerprint. As you can see, we can choose the pattern, PIN or password, so choose the one you like the most. I will pick the pattern. Now your device is telling you that you have to remember your password, so got it. Here we have to draw the password, the pattern, and draw it again and tap on confirm. And now we can add our fingerprint. We have to place our finger on the sensor, which is here on the back under all cameras. So let me do this. Let me place my finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Now unroll your finger to catch all of the corners, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint. We can rename it right here. If you want, if you don't want, click on done. And here we've got in a fingerprints, here we are in a fingerprints menu. This is our fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it again, rename it right here, or remove it if you want. What's more, we can add new one, and here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, so we can use it for privacy, password, app lock, or fingerprint payments. So now let me get back and let's check if it is working. Let's lock our device and place my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. So that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Xiaomi Redmi 9. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.